Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're reviewing the MSI Aegis, our gaming desktop, a high-performance machine designed for serious gamers and creators alike. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup, be sure to check out the link below for the best price on this beast. Let's kick things off with the specs. Powered by the Intel Core i7-14700F, this desktop delivers blazing fast processing speed, perfect for multitasking, streaming, and running demanding games or software. Paired with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, you'll experience lightning-fast performance and zero lag, even when running multiple tasks at once. Now, the real star here is the GeForce RTX 4070 Super. This GPU brings next-level graphics, making sure every game you play looks stunning, from ray tracing to ultra-high resolutions. Whether you're diving into immersive VR experiences or maxing out AAA titles, the RTX 4070 Super delivers jaw-dropping visuals and smooth frame rates, making this a dream for any gamer. On the storage front, the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD ensures super-fast load times and ample storage for all your games, media, and projects. Say goodbye to long waits. Games load up in the blink of an eye. The 80+ Gold PSU ensures efficient power delivery, keeping your rig running smoothly without excessive power consumption or heat. And, if you love tinkering or upgrading your setup, the Aegis R is DIY friendly, giving you easy access to components for future upgrades. Add to that, the built-in Wi-Fi gives you fast and stable connectivity, and MSI throws in a high-quality keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to game straight out of the box. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you also get the latest gaming and productivity features at your fingertips. Overall, the MSI Aegis R gaming desktop is a complete package, powerful, future-proof, and built to handle anything you throw at it. If you're looking for top-tier performance, this is definitely one to consider. Don't forget to check the link below for the best deals.